Grain Feed and Milling Magazine Weekly News Review, powered by Grain Tech Bangladesh 2022. Another hum solvent extraction plant has been commissioned successfully in Adana, Turkey.
Postponement of the 10th International Exhibition Agro-Tech Bangladesh 2021.
AMZ Industries plans to actively develop export directions and offer foreign customers even more opportunities of the renewed company, Sergey Blinov.
Henry Simon's new reference project, Grand Moulins du Benin.
We are grateful to Gem Ultra for their trust and the opportunity to created the perfect fit and to build India's most modern feed mill.
Frost-free Steels successfully installs 2 hopper bottom silos Indiana, Nepal.
India applied for trademark registration of Basmati in Sri Lanka. Pakistan's Basmati exports to Sri Lanka are expected to suffer.
Christoph Goppels Roeder nominated for election to Board of Directors.
A regular advertiser. Grain Tech Bangladesh 2022, exclusive media partner Grain Feed and Milling Magazine. Mill Tech is 10 Bull, exclusive media partner Grain Feed and Milling Magazine. Thanks for watching.